back to the Off-Grid family. Today's a bit of a short one and a bit of a weird one. Our Hoover started making a noise that sounds like this. And it drives me insane, so I've got to fix it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I honestly don't know what the sound is, but I'm just going to take the whole thing apart, have a look. If I can't see anything wrong, I'll put it back together and hope for the best. Sometimes that works and it just knocks something free, but we shall see. It should be a fairly straightforward process. Anyway, let's get on. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is empty out the bag or bagless area nuss, and then we'll give it a quick look over. Okay, there we go. I didn't really do anything. Basically, it just needed taking apart. There must have been something stuck somewhere, and through taking it apart and putting it back together, it just seems to have fixed it. So, you know, I'm happy enough. Now, Crystal can do the hoovering, and I don't have to listen to that awful noise. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.